Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to solve Samsung system UI is not responding and black screen problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Click on wait, scroll down, click on apps, click on three dot bar and turn on show system and click on OK. Search system UI, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Press on power button, click on restart phone normally. Hopefully in this way you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.